In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access content in other countries for free. Now, the way we're going to do this is to use a virtual private network. You can access almost any country's content by using this. Now, for instance, let's look, say we're outside of the United States and we want to access one of the US TV networks, or we want to access US Netflix. Okay, so what we want to do is use a VPN service that's free. Now there are paid ones, but there are free ones that are just as good. Okay, so the way you can find one is to go to Google and then type in free USA VPN. Okay, so put your country here. So if you want UK, you put free UK VPN. Okay, and there are several different ones here, so you can go through and find the ones that you like here and just make sure that they'll work for you. So usually you get something like this. They'll work on Windows, they'll work on most Android tablets and phones, iPads, iPhones. And what they do is they give you a server, a username, and a password. Now usually the password changes. So before you'd use it on the next day, you would have to go and get the password. Now I'll just show you one that is free for the USA and it doesn't have a changing password. It's called USIP VPN. USIPVPN.com. Okay, so with this one, you only have to set it up once and then you don't have to do it again. So if we go to set up how to, you'll see here, well, here's on the main screen, it showed you there. But there are some detailed instructions in here depending on where you're doing it. So if you're doing it in Windows XP, Windows 7, etc. Okay, so right here, it just showed us that our PPTP VPN server is usipvpn.com, our username, and our password is freevpn. Okay, so to put that in there, what we need to do is go to our control panel. Then we want to go to Network and Internet. And then we want to go to Network Options or Internet Options. Okay, and then what we want to do is go to Connections. Okay, so what we want to do now is add VPN. Okay, so the internet address, we get that back here. So it's, in this case, it's usipvpn.com. Okay, and then this is for your use, so I'm going to say US IP VPN. Okay, and then we can have remember my credentials. Okay, so we'll create that. Okay, and there it is. Okay, now the next thing we need to do is connect to it. So now I'm on Windows 8, so you'll see here that I have US IP VPN over here. So depending on the version of Windows you have, you click here and then over to the right beyond the recording area is a connect button. So I click connect. Okay, and then the sign in comes up here. So we need to put in the username and password. So that was on the website right here in front of us. It's usipvpn.com. And then the password's freevpn. Okay, let's click OK. Okay, so it's connecting. And now it's connected. Now, with this one, you have to just hit your home button on your browser before you can use it. Okay, and it comes up and asks you to agree to the terms. So agree. Okay, so once this has been filled, I am now connected through this VPN, and it looks like I am coming from a different location. Okay, now let's do the same thing. Let's disconnect now. So you just go back to your connections and click on this, and then there's a disconnect button. I just do that. Okay, now I'm out of there. Let's do the same thing now for UK VPN. So we'll go free UK VPN. Okay, so best UK VPN service. You can go through and look at them here. Free UK VPN service. Bring this one up. Okay, now you'll see that this is along the same lines. You have ukipvpn.com, ukipvpn.com, free VPN. Okay, so this looks like it's by the same provider. So again, we'll go to the control panel, go to Internet Options, go to Connections, add VPN, and it was ukipvpn.com. And then here is our description. So you will put UK VPN. And remember my credentials is there. So we'll create. Now, same thing again. We'll go over to our connections. Now remember, I'm showing you on Windows 8. So yours may be different. So here's the UK VPN. We hit connect. And then we put in our username. So UK IP VPN. And then free VPN. Click OK. It's connecting. Okay, now you see it's connected. So again, we hit our home button here. Okay, agree to the terms. And there we are. So now we're signed up as a UK user. So if we were to go to Netflix now, we would see UK Netflix. Or if we go to a UK TV station, we'd be able to stream TV off of that. Okay, so that's all you have to do. Just search for the VPN for whatever country you're looking for, and then set it up.